What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So it's time to finally take down my Christmas tree. I will say this is the longest I've ever had it up. We are in the new year, but typically I will take my Christmas tree down within a day or two after Christmas. But this holiday season, I was really just trying to go with the flow, spend time with family and friends. So I just felt like it wasn't the right time to just demolish all of Christmas. But today is the day that we are finally going to do that. But before we start taking down the tree and all of the holiday decor, I did want to go through this bin. There are a couple of things that I've used to decorate in the past, which is just not my style anymore. And for whatever reason, I am still holding on to this stuff. So I want to go through here, take out and throw out anything that I just do not need and will not see myself decorating with anymore. And then this way it gives more room and space for me to actually store all of this stuff away.
There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want.
This bin was jam-packed with a bunch of random items that I had just thrown in over the years, and naturally over time your taste and your style in decor just naturally changes, and I always felt like I needed to hold on to it in case that, you know, maybe certain things came back into style. But honestly, I really don't see myself going backwards, if that makes sense. And worst case, especially like those little like pom-poms, that was like great for a certain season, but I really don't see those coming back. And if they were to, I can always make some more. I just needed to really make sure to free up space because the storage in my apartment is limited, and I didn't want to continue to keep piling on decor that I'm not using year after year. Now that we have the bin all cleared out, anything that you guys see to my right is going to be thrown away, hence the reason why I'm putting it into the trash can. And anything over to the left were things that I wanted to still keep, things that I very much still use, you know, switch it out from year to year. So now what we're going to go do is start to take down all of the decor. Now the tree goes into a completely separate storage bin, so I'm going to leave that until the end, but I wanted to put all of our little like Christmas village and put those into the bins. And unfortunately, the one that I had just made, I want to say a year or two ago, that I got from Michael's, for some reason the bottom must have broken. I don't know how that happened, but it is what it is. The house still looks nice, but I'm just trying to figure out how I can organize this bin without having separate like compartments, but still make sure I'm able to fit everything in here.
You're such a nice guy.
Moving on over to the Christmas tree, this is where I put all of my ornaments, the tinsel, the lights. Everything goes into this bin, so I wanted to start removing that, and then the actual tree itself goes into this larger red bag that I picked up from Bed Bath & Beyond. I honestly missed that store. I don't know why it went out of business, but I digress. So I'm just slowly taking everything off. There are certain ornaments that are a little bit more fragile than others, so I'm trying to leave those until the end, keeping those at the top to reduce any shattering or anything like that. I'm pretty sure I can go above and beyond and, you know, wrap them, but that's just way too much work.
Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. And the way of how you dwell, I get it, don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. And the way of how you dwell, I get it, don't you get it? No.
Christmas 2023 was the first time I had ever used tinsel, and I'm obsessed, you guys. I absolutely love it, especially this like iridescent color one that I had picked up. I believe it was from Amazon. I just love how it has that extra sparkle when the lights are going and, you know, it's in the evening time, but I am a huge fan. All right, so we were able to get everything fit into this bin. To be honest, if I did not declutter at the beginning, there was no way I was going to be able to fit all of this stuff in there. I probably could have gotten rid of that bow, but the recent holiday season, bows were such a trend. I don't know if I specifically like that one, but I feel as if I do want to hold on to it for at least another year. The other items that are also going to go in there is going to be the advent calendar, but that really doesn't take up too much space. And then also all of the flowers that we had taped from the ceiling in the hallway will also go into that bin as well.
Down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be.
This storage bag literally fits it all. I have 3 Christmas trees, a garland, a wreath. I'm also going to be putting in the Christmas florals that I have in the entryway. It also fits all of the tree stands and the tree skirt. So talk about it fitting a lot. Clearly it does take up a lot of space, but it's so worth it because otherwise I'd have to store all of these items and all of the trees individually.
There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
Here's the bag of everything that I'm going to just throw out, and I kept the lights separately. I plugged all of them in, and they're the bright white lights, and I just do not like that look. I like the, you know, the warm tone light. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to donate those. So I'm going to put those in the donation bag and then give those away this week. But I was able to get rid of a lot of stuff, and as you guys can see, I was able to fit everything into the bin, and I don't even know how long it's been since I've been able to do that.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio.
Taking down that Christmas tree literally took all the energy out of me. So today we are really just focusing on the smaller items that we just still need to take down. So I'm going to remove all of the florals out of this vase. I do still want to keep the Norfolk pine stems because that still is giving winter, but I feel as if the frosted stems is definitely screaming a lot more Christmas. So I'm going to store those away in the red bag. And then we're also going to be taking down all of the poinsettia flowers that are just hanging from the ceiling, and you guys already saw me take down the advent calendar, and that's always honestly a really easy one to take down.
We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little Let's hit the club, time to make a move. Make a move. We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove. Nothing to prove. I can feel the heat is rising in that beat.
One of the great things about being a minimalist when it comes to holiday decor is it's less stuff that you have to take down. Don't get me wrong, I love the people who go all out. It's such a gorgeous sight to see, and maybe one day when I get a house, I'll probably go all out as well. But for now, this minimal decor is just enough for us. But I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for helping me take down all of the holiday decor. I am so excited for new videos. So if you guys have made it this far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit the red subscribe button down below. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys are up to, and I'll catch you guys right back here in my next video.